Hey everyone, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you know you messed up, but the words "I'm sorry" just won't come out? It's a tough spot to be in, and we've all been there. It feels awkward, maybe even a little humiliating. But what if I told you that learning to apologize is actually one of the most powerful tools you have for personal growth? It's not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of incredible strength. Think about it. A real, heartfelt apology isn't just about saying the words, it's about acknowledging your have for personal growth. It's not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of incredible strength. When we refuse to apologize, we're essentially building a wall around ourselves. We get stuck in a cycle of defensiveness and blame, which prevents us from learning from our mistakes and moving forward. So, what makes a good apology? It's about being specific. Instead of a vague "sorry for whatever I did," try something like, "I'm sorry I was late. I know your time is valuable, and it was disrespectful of me not to let you know I was running behind." See the difference? It shows you get it. You understand why the other person is upset. This is where empathy comes in, putting yourself in their shoes and genuinely feeling the weight of your actions. The magic happens after the apology. When you take responsibility, you open the door to conversation, forgiveness, and healing. You learn more about yourself, how your behavior affects others, and how to be a better friend, partner, or family member. It builds trust and deepens your connections in a way that nothing else can. It's a process that helps you evolve into a more mindful and emotionally intelligent person. So next time you make a mistake, don't run. Your behavior affects others, and how to be a better friend, partner, or family member. Embrace the opportunity to practice the art of the apology. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but the growth and stronger relationships you'll gain are absolutely worth it. It's a skill that will serve you for the rest of your life. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.